Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to screen record on your iPhone. So to screen record your screen, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up our control panel, and if you don't have the record button already on your screen, I'm going to show you how to add it. So we're going to hold until like the edit mode appears, then going to press add a control and find the screen recording control. So it should look like just a little dot, like the recording dot. Let's just find it. If you can't really find it, you can just look it up. So you can do screen, there we go, screen recording. So this is what it should look like. You just tap on it and it gets added to your control panel. Now once we press this button, a countdown starts, and once the countdown finishes, it starts to screen record your screen. So there we go, I just recorded a little video. You can press this little icon on the top left to stop recording. I get a notification that the screen recording was saved, and there we go. This is the screen recording. You can also include your microphone if you hold on the screen record icon. You can include your microphone by pressing the microphone button. And now once you start recording, your voice will also be captured. So mic check, test 1 2 3. Let's see if that worked. Captured. So mic check, test 1 2 3. So there, as you can see, it also works. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.